Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can chat with Agoda customer service. So let's go and find out. Now scroll all the way down right here where you will see help, company, destination, partner with us, get the app. So under the help you will see the first thing here, help center. So click on that and you will be redirected here to the information system. So it will say, need help, we are here for you. Okay, so here on the left side you will see this menu, and the at the bottom you will see customer service. So click on that, and now you will be redirected here to these common questions. So where can I find a check-in and check-out and so on? Will I still be able to check in? Okay. Okay, sorry, this one is the right one. So customer service. How do I contact Agoda customer service? Now here it will says that you can contact Agoda by accessing your booking details through manage my booking in your booking confirmation email. Additionally, when logged into your Agoda account, you can access your booking details by clicking on Bookings or My Bookings on desktop and mobile web. So if I go here to my name, my trips, we can go with that one. And if you have here some trips and bookings, you can contact the customer support if you need it. Otherwise, you can click here, and here you will be access your bookings via the Agoda website. Here you can leave your phone number, and if something changes, you will be updated because they works 24 hours. So this is basically how you can uh, step into the contact with the customer support. So under your booking, there you will see some details, some information, email or phone number of the customer service, and you can contact them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next